Hello everyone, so today I'm in Poynton. It's a beautiful morning and I'm going to be running up to Lyme Park, so join me for some beautiful views and also a little bit of history along the way as well. So right now I'm running up the incline, and this used to be a colliery railway for the Poynton coal mines, and it joined the mainline railway down at Poynton station as well. So I'm here at the Macclesfield Canal, which linked Manchester and the Midlands. It also served the quarries, mills and mines of Macclesfield and the surrounding area as well. So here we are in Lyme Park. It's a 1,400-acre estate owned by the National Trust. It used to be a sporting estate, time's gone by, but now is just a wonderful green space for everybody to enjoy. Here we are at the top of Lyme Park. Fantastic views into Manchester as well. Great spot to be. So I'm here at the Bowstones, which is actually a scheduled monument and dates from about the 10th century or earlier. And right in front of me, I've got a beautiful view of Shining Tor as well. So I'm now on the Middlewood Way, which used to actually be a railway line between Macclesfield and Marlborough via Poynton. It closed because of the beaching cuts in the 60s, and in the 80s was made this lovely green corridor for cycling and walking.